how to create Google Forms on mobile. So if you want to create Google Forms on your mobile, then what you need to do is first you need to just go with your Google or your browser, anything that you are comfortable with. And here you need to search for Google Forms. Once you've searched, you need to tap on the Google Forms login and tap on login and make sure to log into your account. And it will take you to this kind of interface. So you just need simply tap on try and then get started. And it will take you to this kind of interface. From here you can create a Google form. So you need to enter your name and then the number of employees to start with your Google Workspace. Or you can just simply scroll down and here you will have forms. So tap on forms and tap on sign in. And here it will take you to the Google Forms. Now you just need to simply go with blank form. Or you can also go with an existing form that you would like to edit. And once you're here, now you need to enter the description. So I'll just simply go and title it as demo and then go with the description and go with the question. Once you go with the question, now you need to go with options. You can go with the first option and enter your first option. Go with add other, which is on the bottom, and then add another option. Tap on the other and then give the other option. And once you've done with the question, now you need to just go with the right side, which has that plus icon, and from here you can tap on the plus and it will give you another question. So in this way you'll be able to add multiple questions and multiple options. And once you've done with it, now you need to go with publish, which is on the top right, and in this way you'll be able to use Google Forms on your mobile. So that's how you can create a Google form, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.